Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lava dragon pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyebrow. Let's start with a diagonal line here. And then an S-shaped curve over to the right. And the same thing underneath to close it off. Next, let's draw the eye underneath. Let's start with a small curve down on the left and a longer one on the right. And now let's connect them at the bottom. Next, let's draw a circular curve inside for the eye. Now underneath, on the right side, let's draw a curve down for the side of the head. Now let's draw the top of the head by hopping to the top left, and let's draw a curve down, and then bring it slightly out like this. Now from the end, let's curve it down for the snout. And then angle it in. And then let's draw a curve up and back down for the top of the mouth. Next, let's draw the bottom of the mouth. Underneath on the left, let's start with an angle down. And then let's connect it over to the side of the head. Next, above the head, let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and flick it up at the end. And then bring it down. Next, let's draw two curved V-shapes at the top of the head for the spikes. And then erase any of the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside the snout, let's draw the nostril. We'll start with the curve down, then underneath, another curve, and back in. Next, let's add the teeth. At the tip of the snout, let's draw a bent line down, and then back up. Then the next tooth with a diamond shape. Now to the right, a small V. Then leave a gap and another one. A diamond-shaped tooth. Another V. And then one more diamond. And then erase any of the overlapping lines inside the diamond teeth. Next, let's add the lava dripping out of the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and back up like this. And then erase the line inside. And lastly, let's add the oval pattern on the bottom right like this. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Underneath the head, let's start with the bottom, with the curve down and over to the right. And then from the top right of the head, let's draw an S-shaped curve down for the top of the body. And now let's connect them with the curved line. Next, inside on the bottom right of the head, let's draw one more spike out and back in. And then behind the spike, let's draw a curve across the body like this. Next, let's draw some ovals inside the body. Next, at the bottom of the belly, let's draw a curve up and back down underneath. And then curve it back up. And then let's erase that line inside. Next, let's draw the wings. Inside at the top, let's draw a curve here. Then from the left side, let's curve it up and back around like this. Now let's add the claw at the end of the wing. Let's start with a curved V shape out and back up. Then continue it up to a point and back down. Next, add a curve inside. Now for the top of the wing, let's curve it up and out. And then a long curve out to the right and back in. Now let's angle it down. Then let's add another long curve out to the right and back in. And then a third smaller one going down and back up. Then let's bring it down to close it off. Now between each of the spines of the wings, let's draw a curve like this. And lastly, for this wing, let's erase that line that's overlapping inside at the bottom. And that's it for the first wing. Let's draw the other one behind now. Starting from the top of the back, let's draw a curve behind like this, going upwards. Then to the left, let's draw a curve over and bring it back up like this. And then add a curve inside. Now let's bring the wing up and over, and then follow that same curve back in. Then a large curve out to the right and back in. And then one more going down behind the other wing. And lastly, between each of these, let's draw a curve. Let's start with one at the top, one in the middle behind, and then one more at the bottom. And that's it for the wings. Let's move down and draw the tail next. On the right side of the body, let's start with a curve like this. And then let's draw an S-shaped curve down for the tail and back around. Next, inside, let's draw a curve at the bottom. and then add 4 ovals inside. And lastly for the body, let's add the spikes on the back. We'll start with 1 spike in between the wings. Then keep going, getting smaller as you go down all the way over to the end of the tail. Next, let's hop down and add the feet. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then close it off at the bottom with another curve. Now let's add another foot in the same way below it to the right. And then the 2 back feet in the same way over here. And lastly, this part is optional, but I'm going to add a few lava drips below the mouth like this. And that's it for the lava dragon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!